Alright, so today we're going to be finesse fishing, maybe top water, something like that. I don't know, we're starting with the drop shot though. This one's kind of, it's about 9 in the morning right now. My hands are cold. It feels like 49 degrees. That one. Nice one. Look how messed up his back is. I'm not gonna weigh this one. Just a 1.5, 2 maybe. Daddy's a 2, but you know. First fish of the day. Let's go, baby. Only gonna weigh the ones that are worthy. Point on weighing a fish on my scale just because I can only see the ounces on it. I just have to take a good guess, which I'm usually not too far off on, but you know, we all know that one kid that like says a 2-pounder is a flipping 5, bro. I swear, bro. Or is that just some of my friends? Because they're always like that, and it always a flip out of me. Like I said, that is just not a flipping 4-pounder, and then they get mad at me, say, bro, you're just flipping mad that it's not yours, bro. Like, I'm gonna move down to these more dead cattails down here. This is one of my favorite times to fish, you know. It's actually one of the toughest times of year to fish, but when you catch them, they're usually promising because they're getting ready for winter, getting fat. My friend said they hibernate, but they don't hibernate, I think. This kid, bro. Bro, what the flip is this kid on, bro? This kid said he can pull hus, bro. Nah, I don't. What? I was expecting them to be here. They might be out a lot deeper than what I think they are right now. So they might be out so much deeper, honestly, though. But so we're just gonna take a cast. They're all messed up, aren't they? I'm flipping cool though. Sorry. I like when this place has a lot of moss on it, so you can flip and just like, I don't know what I was gonna say, but you can just flip in top water fishing. Top water fishing here is amazing. I've never finesse fished here before. I just started coming back to this place this year, but you know, I haven't been here in a good 2 months. Shimmy, 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 y'all, shimmy, yeah. Starting to warm up slightly, you know, but still flipping cold as booty cheeks out here. For sure, I got some weeds on my line. I wouldn't be surprised. It's crystal clear. take a couple little pitches out of it. Yo, honestly, I doubt anybody's gonna watch this, but it's okay. So like, just comment where the flip you guys like to fish, like what lake you guys like to fish in, wherever the flip you guys live. I'm not asking for where you live though. Or just like the best spot you've ever been to that you want to go to again. That works. I just got up and all that. There's cattails. That one. Another small little guy. But you know, it's alright. This guy's barely hooked, but like in a really stretchy spot of his mouth. Alright, well, another one not worth weighing, but it's alright. It's probably the guy that just bit, but it's okay. There it goes. He's right there. He went. They're probably up in all those cattails. Ooh. The real question is, what in the flip, bro? I would say that's a tree. You know what it means. What it means. I don't know if it's just if it's just me, but like, it's just so much more fun to flip and just fish by yourself. Like, you don't gotta worry about other people and stuff, like asking you to do this, do that. You just can do this and do that for you instead of help everyone around you. But like, again, that sounds like selfish. Like, yeah, I'll help if I like fish with people. I'll help them if they need help. But like, I don't know. I just don't enjoy doing it. Well, probably won't make it on my YouTube, but it's okay. Shimmy, 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 y'all, shimmy, yeah. Yo, what should I flipping use? I have to go with like a jig. I've only caught one fish on a jig ever here. Ooh, let's go jerk bait, bro. I've had 4-pounders all the way down to, I don't know, flipping 11-ounce bass, 5-inch glide bait, so it's okay. What rod should I put on? I'm gonna just put on this one. Alright. This thing can absolutely bomb cast, but like, see where I barely even casted that. It's in shallow water. I'm not trying to get this thing snagged. I don't even know how deep. I think it's like 4 to 8 feet. Wasn't recording. I caught one on the jerkbait. Biggest one of the day. 2-pounder at most. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yo, I ain't flipping. Even test. Oh, he came off. I don't like putting them in. fishing. I knew it was mad time before we caught one. I was literally pulling him because I didn't want to just land him without recording, and so I was just pulling backwards, keeping tension, and started recording just in time. Say, my thumb hurts. You guys have been hurting my thummy. Got one. That's a little guy. These little boys are just slamming it. Stop it, please. Let me catch a big one. I've cast it up in there probably 100 dang times. I forgot what brand this one is. I got it a couple months ago but I'm pretty sure it's the Rapala. Rapala, my bad. I think it don't really matter, but I'm pretty sure it's Rapala. Sounds so much better, Rapala. So today I think we had some good luck. At least good enough to where we caught fish. But we got to catch some of the big ones next time we come here. But we won't be here next time, like record or make a video, whatever. But be cool and be a fisher, not a catcher.